I actually think Chainlink can be bigger than Bitcoin. We've got various different blockchains, and I want to see the price of Ethereum, the correct price of Ethereum that connects to all the blockchains. Then Chainlink is the one that connects all of them. So essentially, the functions are it fetches, aggregates, and validates data from multiple sources. And the objective is to provide accurate and tamper-proof data to smart contracts, which are contracts are on the blockchain. It supports various data sources and customization for Oracle solutions. The value proposition of Link. There is a fixed supply. The fixed supply ensures scarcity and potential value appreciation. And then the allocation supports network operators, ecosystem development, and project growth. Now, what are some of the venture capital that has been invested in Chainlink? Well, there's been some pretty big ones. Framework Ventures, Pantera Capital, Blockchain Capital, Multicoin Capital, Fenbushy Capital, and Placeholder Ventures. These are really, really big venture capitalist crypto funds that put their money on the best projects out there. Okay, so essentially, anytime that you most likely wire money, not an ACH, but wire money, you use the Swift network. Chainlink has just partnered up with Swift. I'm going to show you what that actually potentially looks like here in a graph. Can you imagine if they're using Chainlink for this? More people using it, more people using their cryptocurrency, mass adoption right around the corner with this one crypto. And this is why I think Chainlink could be one of the biggest things that brings that transfer of wealth over to us. Remember how I said this is going to be the biggest transfer of wealth that we've ever seen? Look at where crypto is right now. $1.4 trillion. Round it up. It's through 1.38, but I like 4 is my favorite number. 444. All right. 4 is my favorite number. $1.4 trillion right now. Okay. $1.4 trillion. That's it. It's not a lot. Take a look at some of these other ones. Gold, 10 trillion. Physical dollars, physical, 8 trillion. Okay. Not debt. You need to learn the difference. Derivatives, $12.4 trillion. Global debt, $300 trillion. Okay. Global private wealth, $463 trillion. Let that sink in. Global private wealth. That's wild. That's wild. Now, imagine if just one of these, which Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, says everything will be tokenized. Everything will be tokenized. Everything. If everything is tokenized, this is tokenized, this is tokenized, this is tokenized, this is tokenized, and this is tokenized. If they're using Chainlink, do you think it would be reasonable to say, like, well, Chainlink might be valued at $1 trillion alone if it's processing quadrillions of dollars per year? I think so. Just 1 trillion. That's not a lot. Again, I want to show you at scale, like, what the markets have done. So look at this. Okay, crypto markets, year by year. This is the overall market cap of crypto market. And look at this sharp turn that we've taken up. All right. That's insane. That's insane. All right. Sharp retracement. Oh my gosh. All the air got sucked out of the room last year because the Fed lifted the rates. There was no liquidity. Then the SEC started coming out. The US government started coming after crypto. But then something broke. The banks broke. The banks are broken right now because they don't have transparency. Because we don't have a proof of reserves. Because we can't exactly see where these banks have invested their money. Well, if Link goes from its price today to the price of Bitcoin today, we're talking about 109x return. So right now in the managed vault, in a liquidity pool, and in CHAINLINK that we're holding, we have about $77,000 worth of CHAINLINK that we're holding. 109.76x off $77,000. That's worth $8.4 million. Y'all listening now? Do you hear what I'm saying? Just Bitcoin's price today. Bitcoin failed as a currency. It's great as a store of value. Check this number out. What happens if CHAINLINK goes to Bitcoin's all-time high? Well, that's a 204.58x. So if we have $77,000 invested in the managed vault right now, and we take 204.58, $15.75 million off of a $77,000 investment. That doesn't take into consideration all the fees we're going to keep earning down the line, because that's how we're going to build the generational wealth. Let's take a look at this. If Link goes to Bitcoin's all-time high, that means it's $1.278 trillion. This is what the difference between 1 billion, see this little tiny sliver? 1 billion. Some of you can't even fathom 1 billion. I can. Now I can. 1 billion. The rest of this whole thing is 1 trillion. That's how much $1 trillion is. I put 1 million in here. You can't even see it. It's not even registered. It's nothing. Okay. In my opinion, I believe that CHAINLINK can, right now it's sitting at about 7 billion. CHAINLINK can fill this whole pie if it becomes the world's engine. If it, this is like buying Google as a startup, in my opinion. Okay, this is like buying Google as a startup. Okay, so where can you invest in Link and expose yourself to other top blue chip cryptos and earn fees from liquidity pools? Well, we have our managed vault. All right. And if you take a look, let me stop sharing. So here is CHAINLINK. All right. These are the fees that we've earned so far this year, and we're just getting started. Okay. But here is our position.
Can you zoom in a little bit?
Yeah. There we go. There we go. Okay, so right now our position in oh, it's more. It's gone up. Shit, man, this market is moving. We are in something very unique, guys and gals. All right, so 81,000, and we have. Did you put it all in one pool, Igor?
Yeah, they were both out of range. To just rearrange them how you asked to give some more upside.
All right.
So I combined them.
Yeah, so just today, this pool has made $51.75 just today, and it's just this thing. when the market starts to heat up, we could see $300, $400, $500 just from this alone, maybe even more. I mean, let me explain this to you guys and gals, okay? The way we earn money here is by earning fees. Every time somebody trades Link, anytime somebody trades Link to ETH or ETH to Link, there is a 0.3% charge for us providing liquidity. And depending on how many trades go on, the amount of money that we make is dependent on that. Okay, so if there's more people buying Link and ETH, buying or selling it, no matter what, we're making money. More people buying it, more fees we earn, the more volume, the higher our revenue is. Okay, this is how you really make money. This is a cash flowing thing. There's no Ponzi scheme here. There's nothing. We are providing a service to somebody on a decentralized exchange. People have to go to Uniswap, which is a decentralized exchange that is a place where people can just go, connect their wallet, and start trading freely. True free market. And every time that trade is made between these two cryptos, we make money. And just in the last few hours, we made 52 bucks. Every day we're earning money. Every single day.